So I've just come outside because my husband just called me to say that he is flying home, and he's a paraglider, and in the distance somewhere I just saw him, so I'm going to go and film him flying in because it's quite exciting. And he's up there in between those two clouds. I'll try and zoom in. Not sure that you'll see him from so far away. Maybe you will. Yes, you can just make him out. There we go, in the far, far distance. And it's a bit gusty, so I'm sending you love, Neil. You come in slowly, and yeah, let's go and walk up here and watch him land. It's a beautiful day for it. He's right above me. There we go. Right above me. Hi, Neil. It's hard to pick you up. Here, it just shows you how high he is. And yeah, not sure where he's going to land. That was some fast swooping then. He's still very high, but it's amazing how low he also is. He's just following the wind, gliding along. And looks like he may be coming in to land in that field. So let's just climb up here, just in case. Nope, he's not going to land there either. Or is he? Here he is, he's going to fly right. Oh no, I thought he was coming right towards me, but he's not. He's just circling round, going down. It is one of the most serene, quiet sports you can do. It is the closest thing to being a bird, and he's flown with eagles. Where have you gone? Oh, there you are. Coo! Hi! I think he could hear me. You've got to really concentrate when you're landing. You don't want to hit any stone walls or any pylons. And there are pylons over there, But he's not going that way. I think he's going to be absolutely fine. Where have you gone? There you are. Are you actually going to land, darling? You're just floating around. Whoa, looks like he's going up again. No, is he going away? Yep, he's coming in. It's really funny, he's going a little bit up and then a little bit down. Sometimes it's a lot faster than this, you really do come in quite fast, but I think he might be just playing with a thermal there and enjoying the ride. I bet if I move, he'll land. So I don't want to move. Hi! Yeah, he's definitely coming into land now. Yay! Here we go. And touchdown. Can you make him out on this video? Yep. Hi, darling. Well done. Looks like a giant caterpillar or a giant snail. That looked like fun. Can you hear me? So this is the beautiful field. You can see Blencathra there. And this is the gorgeous place that he has just landed in. Such a beautiful day for it. And here he is with his paraglider, packing it all up. Well done. Hi, darling, well done.
Thank you.
Safe landing. My beautiful husband. Well done.
Milk tray chocolates for somebody.
Oh, amazing. You had your hand warmers on there, darling. Was it really cold?
Freezing.
Even though it's quite a warm day today, but...
Martin's landed just on the inside of his freezing.
Oh, amazing. That'll be exciting. Both of you landing near home. So,
I don't think I could have carried on much further. It was so cold.
Really?
Oh.
So what's this then? This is the harness that you sit in. That's all your technical equipment. And all these lines, thin tiny lines but very very strong lines, connect to this amazing, that looks like a parachute. And it's not, it's a hang glider. And it's made of amazing sort of thin but strong fabric. It's a bit like tent material. And yeah, it's hard to believe that he set off this morning, drove up a mountain or a hill and jumped off. And here he is, back home. Brilliant, safe and sound. Whew. So how long was that?
68 kilometres.
Wow.
Distance covered. 30.1 kilometres across the ground.
How long did that take?
Direct line. It took 2 hours and 4 minutes.
Well done. Cute piece of cloth.
5,955 feet.
Whoa. So it's quite amazing that my husband set off from the Lake District in a place called Keswick, town called Keswick, which is the other side of that mountain range, Blencathra. and the wind has brought you home, darling. Thankfully. And just like that, he folds it all together and packs it all away for the next time. And just like that, he put it all away.
An aeroplane in a bag.
A heavy bag?
Not for a big strong lad like me, like.
Well done, darling.